Hey everyone, it's November 26th. We got the morning market rundown here. Let's just type quickly and reiterate this daily time frame on the left here. So we talked about this in the past of the this fib extension, this wave up, this push up, this pull back into the 50-day moving average here. So we put an extension from the push up off the 200-day moving average, pull back into the 50-day. And when we see all the trends are realigned from the 20, the 50, and the 200 as well. So that fib extension gives us a golden Fibonacci extension up to 1.618% at 628.20 628.79 area. Not a price target, but just an area where, if this trend is to continue, where price could potentially take us. So yesterday we discussed two potential scenarios that maybe this would get going and just keep reclaiming the daily VWAP and the trend continues, or we'd get some profit taking down into the 2-day VWAP, look to reclaim the daily VWAP, and then get going again. So perhaps today, the SPY gets a very similar situation as to this, is basically maybe we push up a little bit, flush back down into this 2-day VWAP area, 596, and then finally get going for the break for the end of the day or into the end of the week. Or monitor that if we do flush down to this 596 and aren't able to reclaim the daily VWAP, to monitor a further decline down into this 593, 591 area. Something like this. If this rejects, see if we can start to get trapped under here and start to pull back to 592 area. I'm going to give the benefit of the doubt to the buyers. So we go over to the QQQ and we dive in. It's got a lot of annotations here. Go like this. So we got the daily time frame. We came up right up into this band of previous band of support, and we closed at its now acting as resistance. So is the QQQ going to be able to sustain this push up, rally up a little bit, or need to move sideways for a day or two now after we got these two inside days pushed up, profit taking, maybe a rest inside day for a break to push up. So let's get into this intermediate time frame here. So yesterday we were talking about the reclaim of the selection VWAP here, which is this orange line. So we got the flush down. This was on our bigger time frame, this line. So let's just get rid of that. So we'll see if this was the potential price action. We're looking to see if we're going to get a flush down to this month to date VWAP area, the selection VWAP, reclaim it, which right here we could see we started to reclaim this VWAP here. Let's get rid of these VWAPs from yesterday. So we could see we started to reclaim this area in here. So is this going to be a potential reclaim of the daily VWAP that we bounce up? And this is kind of what we're looking for with that green flag here. But so now maybe we have a stop. Maybe our stop is under this 503 or up in here. So let's look at the pre-market data. And this was our anticipated VWAP. So we rallied right into the anticipated VWAP. Couldn't reclaim it. So maybe now today we have evidence of the daily VWAP being above the 2-day VWAP. So maybe similar to the SPY, we get a flush back down to this 506 election VWAP, rally back above the daily VWAP, and then get going for the trend. So we could look something maybe like this throughout the day, or same situation as yesterday. Maybe this is the day where price just wants to go. And we go super trend for the day. And we would look for something like this on the daily VWAP. we're like pulling in, maybe get one touch, and maybe just like yesterday, we didn't even get a second touch of the daily VWAP. Maybe it'll be on the flip side, or maybe we spit everything up, reclaim here, and fail to reclaim here, and we break this 507 and decline into this 503, potentially 501, that month to date VWAP area, similar to where this area was we talked about in yesterday's video. So that's the morning market rundown. Hopefully this was helpful. If you like this type of analysis, please like and subscribe. Enjoy the day.